Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones without having to log out of your account on the first phone. Now there is only one legitimate way for you to actually use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones. Here is how. So on the second phone, open the Chrome browser or the Safari browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Tap on the first link, which will take you to web.whatsapp.com. Now you will be redirected to the mobile site. We want to access the desktop site. So tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner and then tap on the desktop site option. The page will reload and the WhatsApp web page will open with a QR code. Now what you need to do is open WhatsApp on the first phone, tap on the three dot icon, and then tap on Linked Devices. Now tap on Link a Device. And you will need to scan the QR code that was displayed on the second phone. Once you scan the QR code, the page will refresh and load your WhatsApp chats and messages on the second phone. Now, unfortunately, the UI of the WhatsApp page isn't ideal because it is designed to be used on laptops and not phones. You will kind of have to zoom in and out to properly use WhatsApp on the second phone. But nevertheless, it is still usable as it allows you to send and receive messages on that new phone while still staying signed in on your first phone. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also like and share this video.